In May of 2023, I headed for Wolchulsan, a mountain in one of the 23 national parks in South Korea. I had no idea this small mountain would be one of my favorite mountains in Korea. Wolchulsan is found in the southwest Jeolla area of Korea. I took a combination of subways, trains, and buses to get to Naju, a sleepy town north of the mountain. In the morning, I took a bus to the small town that is connected to Wolchulsan. Driving up to it was super impressive because Wolchulsan faces a valley of farmland, so it looks extra prominent as you approach. And then I grabbed a taxi to the park and started my hike.
I'm leaving the house now, I'm locking the door, wondering what it was you gave it up for. I'm walking faster now, away from everything. I hear your words of wisdom, I don't know what they mean, but baby, who's an angel now? So help me God, I hope that you weren't lying when you laid my body down. You were a neon sign saying do not touch. My curiosity has always been a bit too much. I watch the plastic peel, it looks like desert dunes. I wonder how long I'll feel like I'm in love with you. 'Cause baby, who's an angel now? So help me God, I hope that you weren't lying when you laid my body down. I'm an angel now.
After leaving the summit, I descended into the amazing views of the ridge poking through the lush green forest. After making it off the main ridge, I stopped for a snack. I think I had like the Haribo jellies or something similar to it. I think it was like the berry ones. They were pretty good.
So help me God, I hope that you weren't lying when you laid my body down.
This one's been really tough. It's pretty short, but super steep incline. Haven't been able to sleep. Got a cold. Cold, that's what everyone gets in Korea, never COVID. I got a cold and went through food poisoning this week. It has been tough in general, just kind of trying to do this with all the struggles with taxes and the passing of Kim Jong-gi. It's just tough, but you know, I'm going to the summit of a mountain with a view and having a beer at the top and going across a suspension bridge that bobs when you walk on it, walking through a real bamboo forest and smelling what it smells like. It's crazy. It's just surreal, and I'm grateful that I get to do this. I gotta keep going so I can get to the milkshake at the end. Fighting. I don't know what it is, but sometimes I get huge cravings during a hike, and during this one I wanted a milkshake so bad the whole time. And after I got off the mountain, I found a cafe and I got one, and man, did it hit the spot. It was a cool cafe with a nice view of the mountain on the second floor, and I just got that milkshake that I wanted so bad. It was a great experience.